What is going on, Coaster Crew fans? This is Tim checking in from the Magic Kingdom. We're over here in the Storybook Circus part of the park to give you guys a look at Tron. So we're going to make our way through the Barnstormer line and give you guys some shot, because lots of canopy pieces have gone up. They're actually pretty much done with the supports for the canopy. So we should see canopy pieces actually coming in pretty soon. So let's take a closer look and see what we can see. Alright guys, well, since my last update, lots of work has progressed on this canopy. I cannot believe it. I'd say 90% of it is done. There's still a big crane here, obviously. But it looks like all the supports are in place. The metal structure you see on the inside, which is all a rusted color, should start coming down soon, and all will be left is the white supports. And we should see canopy pieces be putting in place sooner than later, we hope.
When the guy asks, how many are you? You just say one, okay? Don't say two, because then they're going to make you say okay? Just say one.
Alright guys, that wraps things up with another Tron construction update right here from the Magic Kingdom. As we can see, the People Mover is testing today. It's been down for over 1 year. Closed just previous to the shutdown here for COVID, and has not reopened since. Seems it got a new operating system. Testing continues. It does say that the attraction should reopen on April 4th. And when it does reopen, I'll be able to hop on there, get you guys some better shots of Tron construction. If you love the video, just give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our page. Of course, hit that bell for future notifications for future videos. And like us on all of our social media at Coaster Crew for Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. And we'll see you guys real soon. Beep beep.